Alright y'all, here's how to find a Verizon store near you real quick, whether you're on your phone, laptop, or tablet. First up, just head over to Verizon.com on your browser. No need to sign in or anything, so don't even sweat it. Next, tap on the menu and hit up Stores. Or if you want to skip straight to it, just punch in Verizon.com/stores. Now you'll see a search box where you can toss in your zip code or your city and state. Or if you're feeling lazy, just tap Use My Location and boom, it'll pull up all the Verizon stores around you in one tap. Want to narrow it down? Tap that little down arrow, then hit Filters. You can pick exactly what kind of store you want to see, like store type, if they take appointments, got express pickup, or whatever services you're after. Then just click Apply, and you'll get a list of nearby stores. It even shows how far they are from you in miles. And that's pretty much it. If you want to get more info before rolling up there, you can check it out right on the site, give them a call, or even set up an appointment. Hope this helped y'all out. Don't forget to like, share, and smash that subscribe button for more free tech guide videos coming your way.